These are African guineas or pheasants. They're not related to the chickens at all. They're different species than the chickens. Chickens are different subspecies, but you can breed them. But it takes humans' help, where you have to make the environment just right. But all you get is really sharp talents with the predator instinct inside a chicken. It's mine. So it's not always a good thing. These guineas can fly far. I seen them clear the pond, so that's at least 300 yards in one swoop. Our 7-year-old guinea just passed. We do it all the time.